Hi everyone, it's Wyckoff, and today I'm making a first educational video for you. I have very special information for you now, guys. First time when I found this information, it was mind-blowing for me. It completely turned up tables of my trading at the moment. I'm telling about 9 tests of buying or selling by Richard Wyckoff, which was published in book by Jack Hudson after the Great Depression. It's original Wyckoff Method. It's granddaddy of all you know about smart money, today's Wyckoff Method. It all go from this book, and these 9 tests are essential for investment and very useful in trading. Let's dive in. I want to show you how it worked in history first, and then I show what we have in today's picture of Bitcoin. So here it is, these 9 tests. First test, downside price objective accomplished, PNF count. For those who don't know what is PNF count, this is method to count the price targets by point and figure charts. If you want a guide from me how to use it, tell me, probably I will do it for you. But now I did it before, just to show you. I counted this redistribution in this area and have 2 price targets, maximum and minimum. It's 24 and 16k, showed with these red lines, this minimum, this maximum. And look how perfect it fits this range. It was counted right there. Second test, preliminary support, selling climax and secondary test are present. Look, we have preliminary support, selling climax, secondary tests, automatic rally. We have done this. Then bullish price volume behavior. Volume tends to expand on rallies and contract on reactions. I prefer to look on volume by indicator volume waves. It makes volume a lot easier to understand. And we see that we don't have this behavior just until this zone. Look, green waves, it's buying waves, red waves, selling waves. First we have this automatic rally wave, but it have not a lot of strength, not result. Then we have continuation of down waves. We have one first strong wave, second strong wave, third strong wave, which is come to our shakeout. Before this moment, selling waves are strong. Now we have absorption, and after this absorption in shakeout, we have sign of strength with first strong and resultative efficient green wave, which is followed by, look, very weak down wave, again green wave, and again small wave. We have this test accomplished. Next test, downward stride broken, supply line, downtrend line penetrated. I made this down stride line for you right there, this dashed line of white. We broke it right here. That's pretty easy concept. Higher lows development, higher highs development. It's 2 tests. We have first higher high right there, second higher low right there, but we don't know that is our higher low before we break this height, right? So the first confirmed place is here for this test. Relative strength versus the market. Stock is stronger than the market, more responsive on rallies, more resistant on reactions. For the comparative analysis versus the market, I use my own version of comparative strength. You can find it on TradingView. It's absolutely free. You just type in indicators Wyckoff and you find Wyckoff comparative. This is comparing to the total 2 index of crypto. What means we stronger than market? It's when this red and white line above its moving average. And first test and going above is right there in this region, 4th January of 2023. So this test complete right there. Base forming, horizontal price development. We have already formed a horizontal structure. It's already obvious at this moment. And reward to risk, estimated upside potential is third the risk to the initial stop. We have to understand it like we need to have point for stop loss. So in this case, when we are right there on this bar, we are completed every test and it's generally a breakout trade. We can put our stop loss below this low and we have pretty big risk reward ratio. I think maybe more than 10, because our stop is 5,000. But if we count by point and figure all this accumulation, It's not on the chart, but I remember it was leading to 140,000, which is by the way not accomplished at the moment. Or you can count this zone, it was I think going somewhere to 40,000. I don't remember it completely good. So we have completed it here. We can buy. This our stop loss. This our take profit is far behind. This is perfect investment trade. This absolutely textbook. Why this is necessary to wait all of these tests to be completed? Because if you just, for example, go on a completion of maximum goal by PNF in our target, it was 16,000. But let's imagine we have 16,000 here. We have to wait until go up almost 2 years. But this is crypto. It's very quick market. The same situation in gold, for example, was 13 years. So you can be trapped with your money for a lot of years. You have to be efficient. Your money have to work and just don't sit for years in your positions. It's frustrating. It's not efficient. Second, it can just form another redistribution which make us lower targets. So it probably could be not finished move. That's why you have to wait all these tests. By the way, we have the same test for selling. It's a little bit different, but today I wouldn't show it because it's not the case I want to show you. If you like this video and I have at least 5 comments that you need selling test explanation, I will make a new video for you. So please like and leave your comments. And let's check today's situation. We have a point and figure target for distribution and redistribution of maximum 64,000 and minimum 59,000. We already almost have second target, by the way, like as the first case, and now we go up. But that's the all we have. Probably that was preliminary supply. Maybe it's even here. You can say it right now. So only one target completed. It's absolutely bad place to buy. I a little bit formalized this test like, first, you have to complete your goals. Second, you want to see that market can't go down. It have to be ranging, it have to be absorbed, etc. in a test. This, we just going down. It's not even showing any presence of constant buyers. We just can have a little short covering there and go down again. That is why Richard Wyckoff would never buy in this spot, because it's absolutely not ready to be bought. Even if for some guys prices seems to be very nice to buy. I saw this opinion in YouTube a lot of times when I prepared to this video. So please subscribe. This is just first video of a bigger educational course which I'm making for you. It will be free. If you need make advanced trade algorithms or complete trading system, you can text me. I'm doing it. I'm doing strategies and complete systems for algorithmic trading. And may the profit be with you. Have a nice year. The year only started. Bye bye.